Hey guys, this is your House Fitness. My name is Min Young, and I'm gonna go through some combinations for you guys. So it's essentially 1, 2, 3, duck right under, and a 3. So essentially, this is about momentum distribution. So as I'm throwing, I'm always gonna shift left and right. So jab, 2, and then using my weight distribution on the left side, I'm gonna go hit a 3. As I'm doing that, my weight distribution will go on the right side, which leads me to go right under and get another whip out with another ending 3. So as a demonstration, if I do a jab, jab, 2, remember to always rotate your hips, 3, and then come back and throw another 3. So 1, 2, 3, I'm always open here. So either I duck right under, like this, and then attack, counter attack. So as a full display, you see this. So that's how you do a combo of jab, cross, hook, and then duck under and a 3. Hope you guys enjoy. Link in the description.